Okay, here we've got your dollar store clock, quartz movement, runs on a single AA battery. And what I've done here is I've created a wooden one so I can take the power instead of the battery off to somewhere else. So I'm now going to install this in the back. Positive, it's at this end, so that's the red wire, and there it is. So to prove that it works, I'm just going to take this AA battery here and hook it up with my fingers. One on negative, one on positive. And there we go. Okay, we've just installed the simulated battery with a couple of wires into this dollar store clock. So now I'm going to take store-bought grocery store lemons and I'm going to stab it with some copper, like so. And then I'm going to wind a couple of screws in it. By the way, these screws are steel and they're plated with zinc. That's where you get the zinc from. It's just that easy. And this is now a battery. It ought to be making some power, so let's find out what it's doing.
Alright, I've been thinking. When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back. Get mad! I don't want your damn lemons! What am I supposed to do with these? Demand to see life's manager. Make life rue the day it thought it could give.
Negative is the zinc. Positive is the copper. And we're on volts. What do we got? 52 millivolts. Well, that's not going to do much. Let's
A few moments later.
All right, we're back. A little change of plans. We're using this liquid crystal. I have made a little wooden replacement for the battery so I can run the wires outside. We've got one black wire going to the negative side, which is the zinc on the lemon battery, and we're now going to jump over between the positive and the negative right here. So negative is going into the clock, so this one wants to be on the positive. I'm just going to hook up a red wire here to the copper. Do we have something here? 1140. Imagine that. All right, so in addition to that, I'm going to hook up the meter just temporarily. All right, well, let's just click these on here and measure the voltage that's in play. What are we showing on the meter? Okay, so that's 1.85. So a little over 1.5, which is what it's looking for, but it will decay in time. So we're going to take this assembly here and put it up somewhere in the shop and leave it for days, weeks, whatever. So this is considered an experiment ongoing. Today is Friday the 13th of 24. It's 11:40 in the morning. Probably 11:41 now. So there we go.